Hi, my name is Heather Abbott. I'm a health coach, lady self-care, and a self-care advocate. Along with me is Dr. Gary Lindner, physiologist, and welcome to Self-Care Bites. We try to answer your wellness questions in under 3 minutes. If that sounds good to you, hit the subscribe button. So, Dr. Lindner, you recently blogged about food addictions and the dangers of food addictions, but also simple, easy ways that you can help to combat or beat that food addiction. What are a couple of your favorite methods, and why are these healthy choices?
Well, they're healthy choices because food addiction, I think, is one of the main problems that we have such a, for the reason for overweight and obesity issues, not just here in the US, but globally. So, for example, addiction to sugar. Sugar is highly addictive. It's in 80% of our food sources. So first we want to become aware of and start to check labels. And I'm going to blog, this week's blog, the impetus is going to be on tips to break that sugar addiction. But in general, what we want to do is replace those foods with some healthier choices. You know, Heather, if you open our refrigerator, we've got carrot sticks, celery sticks, radishes, you know, apple slices, different things that we can make healthier choices to help break that food addiction. And you can do it. It just takes a little time to do it.
So what Dr. Lindner is talking about with the carrot sticks and the celery sticks is I take time to just simply make those healthy choices more readily available. And that way that you want to try to reach for that healthy choice and get your fill of that instead of reaching for what you may be craving if it's a sugary snack or a particular food.
Right. So when I open the refrigerator, I don't have a choice for a slice of chocolate cake. I have a choice for an apple or a carrot stick or something healthy.
It's also important to understand that if you do slip and you grab a piece of chocolate cake, that's not the end of the world. This is a journey and you're on that journey. And it's important that you make that decision. So I'm gonna link the blog down below in the description. It's an excellent blog and there's several more methods that you list.
Yeah. And the other thing I might mention real quick, because we have a little bit of time, is stay well hydrated. Drink half your body weight in ounces of good healthy water every day.
Excellent. So once again, if you like what you heard today, hit the subscribe button, that notification button. And while you're taking a look at the blog on selfcarehub.com, our blog is called The Impetus. Don't forget to subscribe to that too, and you'll get a weekly newsletter with even more healthy choices in it. So thank you. We'll see you next week on another Self-Care Bite.
Be healthy by choice.
Not by chance.